more, gang? It's your girl Kiara back with another banger. Y'all read that title. Y'all, she always do that when I say banger. She tried to say it. But yeah, y'all read that title. Your girl is finna prank Quint. Y'all know what he did to the brows and everything. So don't be laughing because, you know, one of them ain't no hair up there. Just drew on and it ain't right. But anyway, I'm about to hit him with the cheating with the door lock prank. But I don't think I'm going to lock the door. I'm just going to have the door... It's going to be closed, so it's not going to be locked because I want him to see me. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff some clothes up and have like it's another guy. Y'all pray for me because I really don't know how he going to react. And he really going to be mad because I'm going to have the kids in the front. And the first thing come to his mind, he going to be like, hold up, she doing all this while my kids here? So yeah, y'all, I'm ready for this video because I ain't having no mercy on him. Because what he did to me was just plain out, bro. I want to just fight him. I just want to just fight him, y'all. But yeah, if y'all like this video, comment down below, Team Kiara. Don't forget to like the video and go ahead and turn that red subscribe button gray. And also, don't forget to press the bell because you know y'all got the ring-a-ding-a-ding. Because if y'all don't, y'all be missing the videos, and we don't want that, y'all. We don't want that at all. We so close. We on the road to 1K, y'all. I know it ain't much, but it's a lot to us because we came from the bottom. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to come back on camera and show y'all setting my little man up. And we just going to go. Let's go. Okay, y'all. I'm back. And I'm just going to stuff. I got some jeans. I'm just going to stuff them to make it look full and put some socks on it. And we're going to get into this prank, y'all, because he off now. So it takes him about 20-25 minutes to get home. So I got to hurry up and get this on the road. Yeah, let me go ahead. Okay, y'all, this my little man right here. He got the J's on and everything, and basically I'm just gonna have a cover and I'm gonna put it across my back, and the only thing he gonna see is my man. So yeah, I got that did. So all I'm thing gotta do is wait till Quint pull up, and once he pull up, I'm gonna get the kids something so they can stay in the front. And your girl gonna have the camera set up already, so I ain't gotta do nothing. Press record, and we gonna get into this prank. Let's get it. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Okay, y'all. He just got here. He just got here, y'all. I'm scared. Y'all scared. What? Y'all comment down below, Team Kiara, because dead quiet though, y'all. Wait, what you talking about? Oh, Harry, oh. Harry, oh. Yeah, because my husband will be home soon. No, normally he'll be here by this time. Quick. Harry, for one of my kids come back here. Wow! Wow! Damn! Quinn! Quinn, you scared me! Quinn! Quinn, you scared me! You made the camera fall. Why you yank the stuff off?
Why you playing?
Oh my goodness, y'all. He made my video so short, y'all. Look, y'all.
Look at this.
Quinn!
Somebody come and look at this.
For? Oh my, look. Look, y'all. Look at that man. Ray, come on now. Oh, my heart beats up. Why you got the stuff? Y'all, look, I didn't even have a chance to just do nothing. Look, he didn't straight yank the stuff. Ray. You ain't had to do all that. I was so scared.
Keep on.
Oh, y'all, I didn't even have a good enough chance to even get a reaction. Sean, get up, baby. He got you all on the floor, Sean. Ooh, they heavy. Y'all, comment down below if y'all think it was a good prank. I know it was short because he just straight, I ain't even feel when he yanked the thing from under me. But if y'all like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, Team Kiara. And don't forget to make that red subscribe button turn gray. And press the post notification, y'all. Ring that bell. Hold up, y'all. Let me go find him. Bang. Bang, why you do that?
He's playing.
I'm playing.
Either you or him.
You just straight yanked it. So when you walked in there, what did you think, honestly? Did it look like somebody?
The same shoes. I know they had to go.
Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. We out.